Here's a certified 2022 Kia Sportage. This crossover was made to show off. Not only will you enjoy its agile handling, remarkably smooth ride, and exceptional acceleration, but the bold lines and striking features make a statement. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Automatic transmission, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, inductive device charging, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Kia, dependable today and way, way down the road. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.